Well, the suspense is gripping. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Might I have your name, please?
I can hardly hear you. It's
I'm sorry?
Jeffrey Bloom.
All right, Mr. Bloom. Mr. Bloom, we're here on a felony complaint today. As such, you're entitled to be represented by counsel.
I can't hear you. They got some kind of air thing going on.
All right, I'll speak up.
Thank
We're
you.
here today on a felony complaint. You're entitled to have to be represented by counsel. If you cannot afford an attorney, the court will appoint one for you. Do you wish me to do that?
Yes, sir. I don't know why I'm being arraigned without having an attorney anyway.
This is the first opportunity that you've got to have the court to appoint an attorney for you. That's why.
So this isn't an arraignment?
Yes, this is an arraignment on a felony complaint.
Aren't I supposed to have an attorney present during my arraignment?
Yes, you are, if you want one. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you can't afford an attorney, the court will appoint one for you.
Yes, Your
The
Honor.
question to you is, do you want me to do that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, now we're cooking. Now you have an attorney. Ms. Reed, they're going to be you?
It will be, yes.
All right. Mr. Bloom, Ms. Reed is here representing the Public Defender's Office. She's going to be representing you in this arraignment today. After that, she or someone from her office will contact you to discuss the case in more detail. Ms. Reed, can I have your appearance for the record, please?
Yes, thank you. Sylvana Reed, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Mr. Bloom.
All right, thank you. Ms. Blanche, can I have your appearance, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Jessica Blanche, appearing on behalf of people.
Thank you very much. All right, Ms. Reed, how do you wish to proceed?
As I did not have a chance to meet with Mr. Bloom, we would appreciate having the complaint read on the record, but we will stand mute.
All right, well, you do want me to read it though, do you not?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so one count complaint for domestic violence, felony complaint. It's case number, let me get the case number.
1031.
22 FB 1031. All right, here's the complaint. It's people of the state of Michigan versus Jeffrey Wayne Bloom. Count 1, domestic violence. It's alleged that on or about July 11th of 2022, Mr. Bloom did make an assault or an assault and battery upon Tiffany Blaisdell, a resident or former resident of his household, and or his spouse and or an individual with whom he has a dating relationship, contrary to the laws of the state of Michigan. This is a misdemeanor punishable by 93 days in jail and or a fine of $500. However, this is a third offense. So now that it's a third offense, it gets moved up to a felony, which is punishable by up to 5 years and or $5,000 in fines. All right? Okay, and that's it. Okay, having heard that, I think I heard you say you wanted to stand mute, enter a plea of not guilty?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Blanche, I'd like to hear from you on this matter.
Judge, this defendant has a highly assaultive criminal history. He actually was on probation, which I didn't know when I filled out the bond form, but he was on probation for a felonious assault when he committed this domestic violence third offense. So therefore, I'm asking the court to deny his bond based on that and based on the fact that they are both violent felonies. And I believe he's a threat to the community. His criminal history, it's purely assaultive in nature. And like I said, he was on probation for a highly assaultive crime. So I'm asking you to deny bond. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Reed?
Yes, thank you. We would like to ask for, at the very least, a low cash bond so that Mr. Bloom can earn credit for time served in this matter. I do understand that he also does have that probation violation hearing, I believe maybe later this afternoon, if he did not already check in there. I believe that docket started at 1:30. And so I understand the prosecution's position, and I do understand that initially they were asking for a $20,000 cash or surety bond. And so we would just like to ask for a low cash bond so that he could begin earning credit for time served.
Anything further? All right, bond is set at $200,000 cash or surety.
What?
I believe he does pose a risk to the community. He has a significant assaultive history.
Wow.
We'll set his probable cause for July 21st. Obviously, he's not going to do a waiver. So July 21st at 9 o'clock, probable cause conference.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Anything further? Yeah.
Don't I have 14 days on a felony case to have preliminary examination within 14 days?
That is within 14 days.
Okay, well, another thing is there was never a dating relationship here.
This is not the place to argue your case.
Okay.
This is an arraignment. You tell it to the judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the conditions, if you are released on bond, you're not to go to Ypsilanti.
Is that where you live, sir?
I went over there a couple days. She called me.
9814 Jones.
Don't talk about the facts.
Lot 91. I'm sorry, I didn't get the lot in there.
I don't want you to talk about the facts, sir. I just wanted to know if that was where you live.
No.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
There was no
you're not to
dating
have any-
relationship. There was no, I didn't.
Okay, that's fine,
look,
that's fine.
Mr. Bloom, let me talk. Okay? Otherwise, you're just going to be sitting there for a long time. You're not to have any contact with Tiffany Blaisdell or Blaisdell, Blaisdell. In the event that you are able to post bond, you are ordered to wear a GPS tether.
Okay, Your Honor. One more thing, Your Honor, and I'll be quiet. I'll go back. I'll do whatever you say.
Okay, it's your case. Go ahead.
I didn't commit a crime here. She called me.
Don't talk about the facts of the case.
Okay, well, this needs to be said.
Mr. Bloom.
I know, but you do not need to say
Let
it
me
right
warn
now.
you.
I advise you to.
Ms. Reed is trying to,
I need to say this. Your Honor.
well, you don't need to say this. Anything you say right now
That's
can
fine.
and will
That's
be
fine.
used against you at
That's
trial.
fine. I don't care. I don't care. She needs help. She needs help.
The court
Ms.
cannot do
Reed,
anything
I
about
think
that.
we're done here unless you have anything
She's got
further.
warrants for her arrest, Your Honor. And she's an alcoholic. She
further
can't
from your-
function
Law
without
enforcement will
alcohol.
handle that on their own. We do not need to discuss that here.
She
Please,
needs help. Okay.
that is
you-
not something we can address today.
I'm letting the court know that she needs help and you're.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank
You're
you.
denying her the help that she needs.
The court cannot do anything about that today.
You will be held accountable. You will be held accountable.
You got it. Okay. All right,
You'll be
we're all set.
accountable.
Thank you.
You'll be held accountable, asshole.
See ya. Good luck, Ms. Reed.
Thank you. He's not mine after today, so
All right.
I'll put in a good warning for whoever gets them.
Ms. Blanche, thank you. Ms. Reed, thank you. Ms. Saab, thank you.
You're welcome.
And get out of that office and go enjoy the summer.
Thank you.